This is our analysis room to do the inspection of the detailed specification. First of all the resins will be pre-treatment here in the tube. And then we will do a hardness test through this machine. Use different times and different, you can see inside. Inside this, you can see the numbers of the balls, different times. We can test the hardness of the resin. Here is the machine to remove all the water on the surface of the resin. We put the resin into this machine and then working for a period to remove all the water. And then we will do the drying. Drying of the machine to test the water content. We can design the temperature and also the time, so you can know the water content. And then next step, we will use this different size mesh wires to do the test of the different size resin. Here you can see we have plastic equipment, and then we put the mesh here to choose different size of the resin. And if the resin is food grade resin, we will add two test items. One is the color. We need to test the color, put the resin into the tube and compare the color here, so you can know the detailed color values. And also, we will do a pH test, and also this one for density test. These are for the food grade resin. So here we finished all our inspection of the detailed specification.